Whether you're just starting out on gathering resources for a paper or tracking down a specific article cited in something you've recently read, OneSearch at IU is a foundational database for you to use during your time at Indiana University. In this video, I'll show you how to get to this database, perform a basic search with useful limiters, and then access a PDF of a full article. If you're already on the IU Library's homepage, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Featured Databases section. Alternatively, you can search OneSearch IU on your favorite search engine. Once you get here, the OneSearch landing page will look like many other databases and search engines with a white screen and a search bar in the middle. We'll start with the basic search for articles about music videos. Before we hit enter, let's limit the search to best suit what we need though. I want to read full texts of articles and not just their abstracts. I also want what's immediately available through IU libraries, and importantly, I need to read peer-reviewed articles. I won't limit from the last 10 years though, because it could be useful to read older texts about music videos as well. You'll want to use quotations around the phrase so that it looks for music videos to narrow down your search results. Now, let's scan through this list of results for articles that look promising. Here are two potential options about two different genres in music videos. This first article down at the bottom has an Access Now PDF button, and the second article has an Access Options button. The second one can lead you to the entire journal issue, which could come in handy if the journal is dedicated to your research topic more broadly. Both of these articles seem like good options. I can save these for later with the Save banner, or I can click on the three dots for other options for saving and sharing this article. If you've been searching for articles without any luck for 10 minutes or generally feel stuck, you can always click the library chat icon at the bottom right corner to ask a librarian for guidance. Thanks for watching and happy searching.